Hello and welcome to part 7 of our Getting Started series. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to do a goods receiving. First, you'll have to click on Stock Items and then Goods Receiving. You can also convert a purchase order into a goods receiving. During this tutorial, we will, however, only be going through the goods receiving. The first thing you'll want to do is select the supplier over here. I'm going to select my supplier, Ocean Tide. Next, I'm going to fill in the document number, which is your supplier's invoice number. Over here, you can fill in your supplier's invoice date and arrival date. You have two options when adding items to the goods receiving. You can either scan the barcode or use the item lookup. To add an item using the barcode, type or scan it into this box over here and press enter. The item will now be added to the goods receiving like this. Over here you can fill in the quantity that has arrived. Smart IT will automatically add the supplier list price. If the price has changed, you can adjust it by filling in the new supplier list price under the unit price excluding or unit price including price column. You will most likely fill it in under the excluding line, since the list price is usually excluding VAT. For our example, I'm going to change the list price of our pink t-shirt to 150 Rand. I will now use the item lookup to add my second item to the goods receiving. To do this, click on item lookup, and then under the name column, fill in the description that you created for your item. And double-click on the item to add it to the goods receiving. Again, you will fill in all of the relevant details. We are just going to fill in the quantity that has arrived for this item. Now let's say that you accidentally added the last item and now want to remove it. To do this, you right-click on the item and then select Delete this line. After you have added all of your items on the goods receiving, it is very important that you check that your total corresponds to that of the supplier's invoice. If it doesn't, double-check that all of the details that you filled in are correct. If there is shipping involved, you can click on the Shipping and Other Costs tab to add these costs. We won't be going into detail on this as we are only looking at the basics for this video. The amounts added on this tab will influence the cost price. Now you have the option to either save the goods receiving to process it later, or if everything is correct, you can click on Process. Processing the goods receiving will automatically change the supplier list price, average cost price, and stock levels of the items on your goods receiving. And those are the basics to make out and process a goods receiving. Should there be anything else that you need help with, don't hesitate to contact us. Our friendly staff is always available to help.